Hi everybody. So excited to announce this new print here. It has a name in Latin, kind of hard to pronounce and understand. But if you want to know more about this painting, go to markbeckpaintings.com. I'm going to swing this over onto the table here and sign it. And here goes. First of all, okay. This is the first one out of an edition of 80. And I'm so happy with the way this print came out. There was a lot of collaged material on it, and it just came out so beautiful. All right. Thanks, everyone.